Hey guys! So guys, today we are going to tell you about the major healing powers of quinoa. Quinoa, often hailed as a super grain, offers a wide array of health benefits. Supported by scientific research, this pseudo-cereal, technically a seed, has been consumed for thousands of years in South America and has only recently gained recognition for its impressive nutrient profile, packed with essential amino acids, antioxidants, fiber, and a range of micronutrients. Quinoa stands out as a powerful food for promoting overall health and longevity. Guys, one of quinoa's most celebrated features is its exceptional nutrient density. A single cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and a significant portion of daily recommended values for vital nutrients such as manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, folate, and iron. It's also rich in vitamin B1, B2, and B6. Despite its relatively low calorie count, quinoa delivers a substantial nutritional punch, including a small but beneficial amount of omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are key players in maintaining overall health, making quinoa an excellent addition to any balanced diet. Quinoa's high protein content is particularly notable. Unlike most plant-based foods, it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans who often need alternative sources of complete protein. So with 8 grams of protein per cup, quinoa surpasses most grains in terms of both quantity and quality of protein, helping to support muscle repair, immune function, and overall growth too. So guys, for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, quinoa is a valuable food option. Naturally gluten-free, quinoa offers a nutrient-rich alternative to many gluten-free products, which often rely on refined starches that lack substantial health benefits too. In fact, incorporating quinoa into a gluten-free diet can dramatically enhance the nutrient profile, offering more fiber, protein, and essential minerals than common gluten-free staples like corn or rice flour. The health benefits of quinoa extend beyond its micronutrient and macronutrient content. It is also rich in plant compounds such as flavonoids, specifically quercetin and camphorol. These antioxidants have been shown to offer numerous protective benefits, including anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer effects. Guys, studies suggest that regular consumption of quinoa could help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The high antioxidant content of quinoa helps neutralize free radicals in the body, thereby reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering inflammation, which is linked to numerous health issues. Heart health is another area where quinoa shines. Its high fiber and potassium content play key roles in managing cholesterol and blood pressure, two critical factors in heart diseases prevention. The fiber in quinoa helps to lower LDL or bad cholesterol, while its potassium supports heart function by helping to regulate blood pressure and strengthen heart muscles. Additionally, the magnesium in quinoa contributes to proper cardiovascular function by promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension. Guys, quinoa's low glycemic index makes it a smart choice for people managing blood sugar levels. Research has also shown that quinoa can help stabilize blood glucose and insulin levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The fiber in quinoa slows the digestion process, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar and providing a more sustained release of energy. So incorporating quinoa into your diet is straightforward and versatile, whether added to salads, used as a rice substitute, or incorporated into baked goods. Quinoa's mild flavor and fluffy texture make it easy to enjoy in a variety of dishes. Its combination of high nutritional value, potential to fight chronic diseases, and versatility in the kitchen make quinoa an essential food for those seeking to improve their overall health and longevity. In conclusion, quinoa's research-backed health benefits are substantial, from its role in promoting heart and gut health to its potential in managing blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and enhancing brain function. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse.
If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos.